BFT PHOBOS and KUSTOS swing gate motors. Connection with Thalia BT A80 complete guide. Hello friends, welcome back to Auto Door Surgeon. In today's video, I will explain how different BFT swing gate operators connect with the BFT Thalia BT A80 control board. Let's start. Supported motor models. This Thalia BT A80 control board. This is BFT PHOBOS motors can work with the same control board, but configuration settings must match the motor type. This is dual leaf of motors. Motor 1 and Motor 2. Before connection, check the gate which door manually opens first and which door second. In this picture you see Motor 1 is the first gate opening, and Motor 2 is second gate opening. Here in the control board, Motor 1 opens first. After delay, Motor 2 opens. This motor circuit where we will connect the control board. Motor has 3-terminal circuit. Motor internal connector. Inside each actuator there are 3 positions. Position 1 is switch wire. Position 2 is motor positive. Position 3 is motor negative. Terminals block of motors. Terminal 10 for M1 positive. Terminal 11 for M1 negative. Terminal 42 for SW1. SW1 is motor 1 limit switch. Terminal 14 for M2 positive. Terminal 15 for M2 negative. Terminal 43 for SW2. SW2 is motor 2 limit switch. M1 is master motor, and M2 is secondary motor. If opening direction is wrong, swap power motor wires when checking. Select correct motor type in programming. First enter programming menu. Steps. 1. Power on the board. 2. Open menu. 3. Go to type. 4. Select parameter 7. Parameter 7 tells the control board which motor model is installed. Flashlight connection. Terminals 20 and 21 is a by default flashlight terminals. The output for flashlight is 24-volt DC power supply for flashing. When gate moving, the flashlight blinking. Photocell connection. This is a single pair of photocell. This RX 5 terminals of sensor. This is TX 2 terminals. Connect power supply from terminals 50 and 51. Terminal 51 is plus 24-volt output with red wire. Terminal 50 is 0-volt output with black wire. Connect also transmitter with 24-volt. Terminal 70 is common of the safety connections. Terminal 72 is photo safety when door closing, this safety working. Push button connection. Terminal 60 and 61 is step-by-step normally open for push button. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching Auto Door Surgeon.